Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you create a space into your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to create a space into your Google Chat, you just simply have to open the Google Chat application. And now, after opening the application, you will get to see this plus button at the bottom right corner. Tap into that chat plus button and then you will get this option of create a space directly. Tap to create a space and then first of all you have to name your space. In my case, I'm naming it new space and then tap to create button. You can add emoji into your space also. And after that, tap to create. Now, after doing this very easy steps, your space will successfully be created. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.